Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bena. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for the love and support. So today we are going to be making some air fryer beef taco egg rolls. These taco egg rolls are super crunchy. They are perfect for a meal prep. You can freeze some and they reheat perfectly in the air fryer. Your family is going to love it, and you know what? They come without the guilt because they are not deep fried, rather they are air fried. Please come along with me. Let's jump right into the recipe. So we will need the following ingredients for our air fryer beef taco egg rolls. I have here some extra lean ground beef. I have some cheese here. I'm using Italian cheese. You can use really any cheese. This is what I had at home. I have some onion, chopped onion. You can also do the red onion. I have some corn. This is corn. It's been rinsed. You can also use fresh corn or frozen, whichever you prefer or have. I have some kidney beans right here. I cooked this one up at home. You can also do black beans, or you can buy it or cook your own at home. It really depends on what you have. I have some homemade marinara sauce, some garlic, and a taco seasoning. For the taco seasoning, I did just mix this up myself. So I have here some ground cumin, smoked paprika, and red chili powder. You can either mix those three together to form your taco seasoning, or you can buy your taco seasoning in store. So let's put this all together, guys. So we are going to start first by cooking up our filling for our beef taco egg rolls. So I have my skillet right here. It's on heat, and I just added in my ground beef. This is going to be an oilless filling, so I'm not going to add any oil just because the ground beef has some moisture and a little bit of oil to it. So I'm just going to use that and cook the rest of the ingredients. So please just watch as I do this. So next we are going to proceed to roll our egg rolls. Now I'm just going ahead. I'm using some avocado oil to spray my air fryer basket, and I'll put it to the side. Next I have some water. I'm just using the water to just dampen up the edges of the wraps, just because you want them to seal properly. I do use water to do that, and my brush. Also, if you find that your egg wraps are light, maybe you want to double them up depending on the ones you find in your store. I am doubling mine as well because they are light. To fold the egg rolls, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of filling to the center. Do not overstuff because you will struggle closing them up. Just seal the wrapper diagonally to form a triangle. Fold the opposite sides together to form another triangle, and then roll to close and seal. Please just watch as I complete this. So once we are done folding our taco beef egg roll, we're going to proceed and air fry them. I just sprayed some avocado oil so that it can help give us that crispy, crunchy, golden brown color. And I did air fry this for 12 minutes, so it was on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes, and I flipped it over for another 4 minutes. So your air fryer might be different from mine, so just make sure that you monitor it and make sure that they don't burn in the air fryer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing and join the Healthy with Benna family. And when you do, please turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from me. Also, please remember to check out my other video on my air fryer shrimp spring rolls. Those are also delicious and healthy substitute as well to your deep fried. This right here, I hope you get to try it soon. I hope your family loves it because we really enjoyed it as well. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.